Dang it. Hey girls, what is this? What is it?
Yellow.
What is this, Izzy?
Yellow.
It's a yellow what? Yellow what? Orange what? Blue what? What is it? What is it?
Rain.
Is it raining? What is this? Is it a slide?
House.
Yeah. Alyssa, go show Mama how to slide.
Wait.
Alyssa, go show Mama how to slide. All right, Alyssa is our master slider. Isabel and McKenna still haven't quite mastered the slide yet, so we're going to see what happens in the next few seconds. Let's see if... Oh, there's Isabel, peeking over the top. Nope, she's going to chicken out. What happened? Why didn't you slide?
Can you go help them?
I'm going to go help. All right. Fun! Wow, that was fun. I saw. Wow. I saw Mama.
We did a sled! Yay! God, this water's cold!
We need, Kim, we need to try to teach them to go on the other side.
Hey, McKenna, stop! No, come here. All right, come on, Iz. Come on, Izzy, come get Mama.
Whoa.
Don't get my rear end.
Wow, Alyssa. Alyssa, go that way. Alyssa. Go around that way, baby. Come on, Mom. Wow. Wow, cool. Tell Mama now, she knows the age limit goes up to 10.
What?
You know the age is up to 10.
Yeah. Oh, well. It didn't kill me. There's some 10-year-olds who are bigger than me in this world. Not many, but a few.
Who's oh!
Hi! Get Mama. Come on, Izzy. Careful, come on. Get Mama. You get me. Good dive. Good girl. Get a stern. All right, Mama's gonna watch for you. Go get it.
Alyssa.
Isabel!
Thanks for the bump, Alyssa.
Come on, Tina. Hey, Izzy. Okay, go. Look, when you go this way. All right, Tina, when you go this way. Look, this way. This way. Come on! Yay, Isabel! Whoa! Go this way, Tina.
Alyssa.
Listen, this way. Listen, stop.
This way.
That way.
Wow, cool, Izzy. Is that fun?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Very good, Isabel.
Whoa.
Nana's gonna come around and watch y'all climb. Come on, Lisa.
We need to invite the Rose over when they get back.